quick here. For Michael, I have an Aliens box for the break, and then it's group break time. Let's do it. Locked and loaded. Come on. Oh, it'll be broken today. Place your order. Let me know when you place it. Parallel, card 26. Yeah, I should be able to do... That is the correct answer, Michael, but I wasn't going to put that kind of pressure on you. I was going to let you get to that on your own. Look into my eye. BK, just place the order. Let me know. I'll keep an eye out for it. I should be able to do it today. Worst case scenario, it gets done tonight, but I can't foresee that happening. Ripley, there's no reason I couldn't do it. After I do, I've got group breaks at 1:30, 2 and 2:30, but I have time in between those where I will be able to, and then 3 o'clock, every half hour. But locked and loaded, I will be able to get it in there. Again, this is for Michael. Little Aliens non-sport action. Looking for that Ripley auto if we could. There are some numbered parallels in this as well, so we can snag 1 or 2 of those. Another locked and loaded. Can I Dream? Another parallel. This one is card 100. Look into my eyes. Alien Skin. Yeah, I think you can get printing plates and autos. I know one of the Leaf packs. I have to look and see. I feel like there's auto chances in those. Burke. Alien Skin insert. I just can't remember if I've opened any, Michael, to be honest with you. Because they have a few, they do a lot of those bonus packs like that, and they're the same. They all look the same, just either a different color or a different year. Card 76 on that parallel. Look into my eyes. If you're here for the Magic break, you're in the right spot. Just finishing up the Sweet Aliens non-sport card break. And then we'll be going into that. Another insert. Hey man, how are you doing, Scuba? Locked and loaded, still waiting for that hit. Another parallel. Card 7. Ah, here we go. Ripley. She doesn't have a bad dreams. She doesn't have bad dreams. That's out of 25. I couldn't even say the quote right, and I was reading it right off the card. Well, that's out of 25. Ripley. She doesn't have bad dreams. And that's card 64. All right, come on. Coming. All right, what do we got? What do we got? Lieutenant Gorman. Insert. Sure. Oh, sweet. Hold on. It's a great sketch right there. And by no, I mean yes. Just so you know. Great, Michael. There you go, man. I'll get you an autograph, but I got you a badass sketch. That much I know. Well, this should be number 2. It's a shooting gallery down there. Card 68. That's out of 99. Look into my eyes. All right, man. I know I did not get the auto, but this is really a nice looking sketch, man. Enjoy that one. All right, let me get this uploaded real quick, and then it's on to some magic.